If you're looking into performance upgrades for your vehicle, this video is definitely for you. Today I'm going to be going over my experience with 034 Motorsport's Dynamic Tuning. I've seen such an incredible change in drivability since I flashed the tune. Overall, the car is extremely balanced and well-rounded, and it definitely makes it feel like a brand new car. The added horsepower and torque from the tune is seriously impressive. The moment you put your foot down, you can feel the difference. But what's even more impressive is how easy they make it to flash your vehicle at home. To start, you'll just need a few items. The first is their Dynamic Tuning Kit. This is how your laptop forms a connection to your vehicle, so that way you can reprogram things like your ECU and your TCU. In addition to their flashing kit, you're also going to need a laptop with Windows 10 or higher, along with a stable internet connection and a quality battery charger. Now, why the battery charger, you may ask? Well, the flashing process is power intensive, and we need to make sure that the car's battery does not drain while this process is occurring. Connect the flash tool to your laptop using one of the two supplied cables in the kit. Now's the time that you want to make sure you turn off any power drawing accessories on your vehicle. In addition, you're also going to want to connect your battery charger to your vehicle to ensure that you have the maximum amount of power while flashing. Once you have that done, it's now time to plug your flashing cable into your vehicle's OBD2 port. Once you're connected, you can head over to your laptop and fire up the Dynamic Tuning software. Once you're logged in, you're going to want to navigate to the top of the screen where it says click here to begin. Since we already have our cable connected to both the laptop and the vehicle, all that's left is to turn on the vehicle ignition. Just make sure not to start the engine. Once you have that done, you're going to click on the yellow button that says I'm ready. At this time, it may apply an update to your flash cable. Just sit back and let it do its thing. So to start it out, I went ahead and clicked on the engine controller. It then took me to a different screen where it showed all the flashing stages for my vehicle. As I only purchased stage 1, I only have stage 1 unlocked, but if you have other tunes, you can apply these here. Now it gives you the option to select the variant of the stage 1 tune, so you have stock, 91 octane, 93 octane, and E85. I was then given a form where I have to fill out my personal information such as my name, email, and phone. Once you're done filling out that information, you're all ready to go, and you can go to the bottom of the screen and click on the yellow button that says Flash It. A progress bar will now display on the laptop and it will say Programming. At this time, you may start to see different warnings and malfunctions popping up on the vehicle's dashboard. Don't worry at all, this is completely normal. Nothing is damaged on your vehicle. It's just going through the process of reprogramming the ECU. After about 5 to 10 minutes, you're going to be prompted to turn off the vehicle's ignition. You're going to do this and then press the yellow OK button. You will then see a 10-second countdown pop up on the screen. After 10 seconds, you're going to want to turn the vehicle's ignition on and hit the OK button. Once you do that, you will see flashing completed successfully and you are now fully tuned. Now it came time to reprogram the TCU. So I navigated back to the home screen and then clicked on the transmission controller. I then clicked on the stage 1 TCU file, and since we're no longer stock, I clicked on the R1.0 file. Just like before, when the progress bar is at the very end, you will be prompted to turn off the vehicle's ignition, wait 10 seconds, and turn it back on again. After a couple minutes, your TCU will be fully flashed and you'll be able to enjoy all the benefits of Dynamic Tuning. Now that we're fully done, you can unplug the cable from your computer and your vehicle and disconnect your battery charger. It was now time to fire up the vehicle for the first time and take it for a drive. After only a few seconds, I could tell an immediate difference. The throttle was a lot more responsive and these shifts were extremely crisp and matched the engine output perfectly. This just made for a really smooth driving experience and the car felt extremely balanced for being modified. The power delivery was extremely linear and it just felt absolutely wonderful to drive. There also is crackle, overrun enabled in dynamic mode, and true launch control, which is a lot of fun. So why 034 Motorsport? Well, for me it was their focus on quality, ease of use, and exceptional customer service. Not to mention the phenomenal performance gains. Trust me, once you've tried out their Dynamic Tuning, you won't want to go back. Anyways, that's all I have for today's video. If you have any questions regarding 034 Motorsport or their Dynamic Tuning, feel free to leave them down below. In addition, if you'd like to learn more on their website, I will also leave a link for that down in the description. With that being said, I hope everyone has a great day. Goodbye.